Yeah. Well, my friends, it is time again. Let's get you out in the sun. Time again for another beach vacation. You guys ready for the beach?
So ready!
Hey kids, you ready to go to the beach?
Yeah!
And no, we did not get a new car. This is Veronica's mom's car. She wanted us to take it. And we're like, yeah, sure. Third row seating, got a lot of room. All right, let's go. 20 minutes later, 20 minutes. They already had to stop to pee. Road trips with the family are some of my most favorite memories. Unfortunately, this time, my mom and dad aren't gonna be with us. Mom, I know you're watching. We'll miss you on this one, okay? Wait, what? You're going back in? Hit up the vending machines, get some snacks for the road. We always go to the Outer Banks, right? This one's gonna be a little bit different. All the places we've ever been to are near 4x4 area. We're not staying in the 4x4 area. So it's gonna be a real different experience. Honestly, don't know what to expect. The town is different, not a place that we usually spend a lot of time in. So it's gonna be a really unique experience, I think. Okay, a little stoppy, driver switch, and I forgot to mention how important of a day it is. Not only because, not only because we're going on vacation, but Colin back there, Colin.
Yeah?
What was special about today, man?
I graduated from 5th grade.
That's right, dude. Everyone give it up for Colin.
Yay!
And Carson, of course, you're moving on from 3rd to 4th. It's a big deal because now Colin's going from 5th to 6th grade. He is officially a middle schooler. All right, so we're moving on. Driver switch.
Teenagers walking around.
We are gonna have teenagers. Driver switch, a big old greasy bag of disgusting food, and just keep going. Oh, one long drive later, Liza, and who's in there letting us in? It's Lindsay! You didn't tell me Lindsay was gonna be here. Yeah, you did. Dude, that was the longest drive ever, and right towards the end, I got a low tire pressure warning on the car. Very tired. We need to kinda rest. Okay, my friends, so we're all rested. We're only 2 hours from our final destination, and I gotta show you something. Hey, Scott and Lindsay and their family are here with us. Nana is coming, and Jay, your mom,
Be here tomorrow.
and her friend, and I think that's it. I'm really excited to get to this beach house because I don't know what to expect. I'm kind of nervous not staying on like the actual sand, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, there's a lot more stuff to do. I mean,
Honestly, Eliza has been so good this trip. She's
So
hardcore
proud of
potty
her.
training, and we were nervous like, oh my god, if she has an accident, like in her car seat, it's gonna be game over. She's been really, really good. No accidents. Really good. I'm so proud. All right, so we're gonna go have some breakfast and just keep on keeping on, dude. We're going to the beach. Woo! What do you think of my hat? Not that hat. This hat. This is Carson's hat. What's up, friends? Chase Gilroy here. I'm a dad and I'm on vacation. And this is my dad hat. Vacation dad hat. Oh, we're so close. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. It is looking like the beach. We've got beach houses. We've got sand dunes. It's right over there. You love those beach houses?
That one. Get that one back there.
Hello?
bright color.
Where you at?
Okay, it's 3 o'clock. We can't get into our beach house until 4 p.m. sharp. We got an hour to kill, and these kids are itching for the ocean. Let's go, dude. Look, there it is. There's the ocean, Liza. It is ice cold water.
It is.
Don't go too far.
Carson.
It's cold.
Woo! How is it, Liza?
Good.
Good?
Yo, that felt so good to be at the beach again. It's my favorite place in the whole world. It's right near the ocean. Liza, did you have fun playing in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's time for us to go check out our beach house for this vacation. Guys, after 12 hours of driving, I present to you Beach House 2018. You see that, Colin?
Yeah.
That is the reason we're not at the beach right now. North Carolina's weather had other plans today. It's gonna be a little bit rainy, so we gotta get the kids flip-flops. They don't have proper flip-flops, or do you, and you just didn't bring them?
Yep.
What?
Guys, I'm gonna get My Little Pony.
Oh, are you?
We lost ours.
She's getting My Little Pony. Liza's gonna get her first pair of Toms. And Toms is a great brand because with every pair you purchase, they give a pair to a child in need, which is really cool. So it's pretty easy to stand beside Toms.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're gonna look cool.
Take the tag off.
Not yet, we gotta see if we want them first. All right, stand up and try a walk. What do you think?
Those are so pretty.
You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah, they look beautiful.
These slides.
Nice.
And they're
Okay.
rubber, so they won't fall off.
Okay, I like it.
Daddy, I like them.
You want those ones?
Yeah.
Oh, well, they sure are beautiful. Yep, the walk test happening right now. Do they feel right or no?
They feel really good.
Feel good?
But it's just this.
Those are Sanuks, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna put these on right now. Oh, it's raining. It's raining, guys. Oh. Unsuccessful trip to kill some time during the rain. I got something really cool I can't wait to show you guys. It's perfect for the water here. It's kind of, I don't know, wait till you see. See if maybe this rain's gonna quit. Did you find something you like? No, she
no,
didn't.
I didn't get anything but a new pop socket because I dropped my phone on the
She
toilet.
just wants a tank.
And I had to get a new pop socket.
It's raining, right? So we have to stop down for a bit. I got something epic for the beach, but I don't want you to look at it. I'm gonna put it on. Everyone just hang tight. You look like a grasshopper. Seriously. Yo, isn't the water so cold out there, bro? It's so cold, bro. I was like, this will keep me warm. Do I look like Spider-Man or something? Yeah, it's supposed to keep the water out.
Yeah, you're definitely supposed to take that off.
I was in a hurry. I'm not joking though. When I went out in that water the other day, it was cold. Never been here when the water's been that cold. So I said, if I'm gonna swim with my boys, I need a little protection, and that should do the trick. Plus, I might be going somewhere where I might need this actually.
Hey guys, so I'm here with Blaze and Blaine, and I'm doing a weird thing. They even comments down below what we're trying to say. Okay, Blaze, you go first. Alright, playing.
This is what we're doing here today. Just got arrived. This is what's on my plate. Crab cakes! Scotty, what do you think of this? What do you think of this thing?
Are we gonna rappel off this?
I thought we would skydive off of it. Just base jump or something? Good idea or no?
Yeah, I don't care.
We come to the, this is the Hatteras Lighthouse, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Veronica's in picture mode. Hatteras Lighthouse, to see what we can see.
Now do something silly.
I wonder what it looks like right now. Since the weather's turned on us, we've come to the Hatteras Lighthouse and we're on our way to the Hatteras to Ocracoke ferry. I think I've shown that to you before, but there's a bunch of people with us who haven't seen that. So yeah, it's the lighthouse. No drones allowed. Like that lighthouse?
Yeah, I'm going in it.
You wanna go in there? Yeah. It's pretty big. Okay, and that's the lighthouse. Pretty simple. We're not gonna go up because there's something on my lens. So we're just gonna keep going and not, we gotta clean this lens off. Oh, I know you've rode the ferry before, but have you rode the ferry during a severe thunderstorm? Before we get on this boat, have you all made your peace with God?
It's gonna be
Just
alright,
saying,
right?
just saying. If it starts like raining and stuff on this boat.
Oh, we'll just sit in our car and ride the boat in our car. Hopefully, we're not going backwards.
Oh baby, you are so cute.
Oh my god.
We got nothing to worry about because I got a wetsuit.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't bring my wetsuit.
why wouldn't you should take that everywhere with you. I can't even see.
Nice. We are on a boat, but it's raining.
It's raining on a boat.
Oh, that's cool. This is lovely.
Do we have napkins?
So pretty. Raining.
Is that mine?
It started to rain again. This isn't as good as when it's beautiful and sunny and blue skies, but you know, you take what you can get. And you're right, you're having fun, right?
Yeah.
That's good, right? Just like that, it's over. You know what?
Just like that.
It kind of stopped raining a little bit.
A little bit.
We stopped at this place called Howard's. Every time we come through here, we come to Howard's. And they got a pretty sweet little deck up here. It's awesome. You can see the views, not much to see, but a little sliver of the ocean back there and another thunderstorm over here. Man, we have gotten just slayed with this weather this week. It sucks so far. We've had one nice day, right, Scott?
Yeah.
One.
Well, the first day it was like a half a day.
Right. Honestly, we're all together. Everything's been really fun, and we're just rolling with the punches. Grab some food here. Hopefully, the ferry ride on the way back is a little bit more interesting.
Veronica texts Lindsay.
I had to poop.
When Mother Nature calls, right? Woo! That's nice. So along Route 12, you can just pull off the side of the road. And they have all these little paths in between and over the dunes to go check out the beach. Before this next storm comes, we want to see the beach once today. What's she doing?
She's gonna pee.
Oh, babe. Oh my gosh. Look at that sky. Hey, I think our ferry ride back is going to be the same.
Yeah, sitting in the car the whole
Honey,
time.
this light makes you look amazing. Look at that light on you right now.
My hair is probably like, whoa.
You smell that?
I do.
What is that?
It smells like
What is that?
dog poop.
Nana, what is that?
I found the only dog on the beach.
Oh my gosh! It's on her sandals!
It's on her toes.
It was squished in between her toes! Don't you dare do it.
You need to scoop up.
Okay, it's raining. Have fun. When you step in poo at the beach. Oh, that's funny.
They gave her the umbrella. That's very nice.